welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the September Maxie Makes box. If you're unfamiliar with Maxie Makes, they are a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box. They are basically a project in a box, so you'll get everything you need to complete one project as well as a video tutorial. I'll make sure to put a link in the description box below on where you can get the Maxie Makes, and I also have a discount coupon for you as well. So make sure to check there. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in this month's box. Also, I just had a root canal this morning and I'm pretty sure I can feel most of my face now. It was surprisingly not painful at all, but if I'm slurring a little, you'll forgive me. Okay, first thing in our box is the Open Road Runner, and this is going to be, I'm gonna have to kind of turn it sideways so you can see the whole thing, our project for this month, and it is a table runner. I did look inside and the assembly of the blocks is actually quite easy. So it looks like it'll be a really cute, fun project. And then of course, the fabric for the top of the project is included in our box. You would just need to get some backing fabric and binding. And then on the back of here, it tells us what we're going to be learning this month: how to construct the impression quilt block by Art Gallery Fabrics, how to make half square triangles 8 at a time, that's awesome, use quilting stencils for marking and quilting, how to use one stencil for multiple design options, and then using flying geese in various block designs. And is there a link for the video on this one? Usually there's another little card in here and it is not in my box this month, so, oh yes. She tells you how to get the video in here as well. So looks like she just kind of included everything in the pattern this month instead of putting in 2 inserts, which honestly makes sense because you don't really need 2 inserts. Okay, hopefully you can see this here, but this is the template for the quilting, and she actually shows you right where to put it on the project as well, and you'll learn how to probably draw the lines and quilt right along those as well, which is really kind of fun. I've never used a quilting template before. I always just kind of free motion or straight line quilt my quilts, and so this actually is kind of a fun idea and something new for me. And then here you can see she shows you how to lay that template, where to put it on your blocks and all of that, so you know where to make those markings. The next thing in our box is this ABC pocket guide for needles, and this is Schmetz needles. This is typically the brand I use. I also have used Oregon needles before and I really like those. And basically it's just a little booklet that tells you all the different needles and basically what they're good for. So here's kind of a sample page of that. And it just kind of tells you what fabric to use it on, that kind of thing. So definitely handy. This is $4.95 on the back, and gosh guys, I mean, I don't know. This is definitely going to be handy to have in my sewing room. However, this information is probably also readily available on the internet, and so I mean, eh. I also got a package of Schmetz quilting needles, and I go through these quite frequently, so it's nice to have some in my box. These are, it looks like 7511. I don't usually use this size, so this will be interesting to try. I usually use like a 90-14 or 80-12, I think is what they are. So I haven't tried these. I found that I have the best results when I'm just using a top stitch, simple top stitch needle. So it'll be interesting to try the quilting ones, and I can always use these. The next thing in my box is this nice kind of creamy colored thread. This is Gutermann thread, and it is showing up a little bit more yellow on my camera. I think maybe just because of the lighting in here. But it is like a, I don't know, it doesn't say what color it is, but maybe kind of a creamy, creamy with a little hint of lemon. I don't know. Anyways, it's nice. I can always use threads, and so I use these for my bindings. I typically stick with white threads, but neutral colored threads are great for pretty much any project, and this is very neutral. As always, we've got some tea in here, and I've got it upside down for you. This is just an organic lemon tea by St. Dalfour. And she has put this brand in our boxes before, and they are pretty good. She always gives a little packet of tea so you can make a little cup and watch your video, and I just think it's a nice little touch. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the fabric that came in this month's box, and pretty much they're all random sizes, but I will show you all of the different prints that came. These are Art Gallery Fabrics, and the sizes are based on what you need for the pattern, so you really do just get exactly what you need for this project. So there's this kind of stripy, and then there's this kind of olive color, a nice big chunk of cream. I'm assuming that's probably the background. There's this kind of peach color, This one is kind of nice. It's kind of a mustardy print. Some florals. And then your main print, and this is the one that has the little, it looks like, if I can show you a bigger swatch of it here, kind of an animal print, so you've got lots of different animals on there. Super cute. And you could definitely fussy cut these for a project. So here are kind of all of the colors put together so you can kind of see the overall theme. All right guys, so that's everything that came in the September Maxie Makes box. Please make sure to leave a comment in the description box below with your favorite product from this month's box. And again, I put a link in the description box below on where you can get this box, as well as a coupon code for you guys to use as well if you're interested. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably not one of my favorite boxes. Normally I really like her boxes. The projects are cute, they're relatively quick and fun. This table runner does look cute. I think maybe it's just not like my favorite fabric or something. I don't know. I do like a couple of the prints in here. I like this mustard print and I like the floral. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's just not 100% my jive. I do like that you're learning a new technique with the template and quilting, so that's a bonus. But it just might not be my all-time favorite box. So I don't know. Let me know what you think about this box in the comments below. That's it for this unboxing. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like these kind of videos, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thanks so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.